अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। मैं हूं आपके साथ राना अली और आप लोग देख रहे हैं शॉर्ट हैंड लर्निंग। ठीक है, तो लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने न्यूज़पेपर की डिक्टेशन की थी। आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं एडिटोरियल्स नंबर 1। ठीक है, तो अब मैं डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करने लगा हूं। आप लोग इसकी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, इसको लॉन्ग हैंड में कन्वर्ट कीजिए और इसके बाद इसके डायरेक्ट टाइपिंग कीजिए। अब रिसेंटली जो टेस्ट आने वाला है एपीएस का नेक्स्ट मंथ, आई थिंक 5 अगस्त की डेट है। जो एपीएस की लास्ट टाइम सीट्स आई थी 72 उसका, तो आप लोग उसकी अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करें। और अगर आप लोग मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मेरे चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें, ताकि अब मैं जो ये डेली डॉन न्यूज़पेपर के एडिटोरियल्स के डिक्टेशन अपलोड करने लगा हूँ तो वो आप लोगों को मौसूल हो सके। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रिमेनिंग फाटा आइटम्स, द फाटा verdict is out, full stop, and there are no surprises, full stop. After its 3-day plenary, the Paris-based global money laundering and terrorist financing watchdog announced on Friday that Pakistan would be retained on its list of jurisdictions under increased monitoring, i.e. the grey list, full stop. This was, of course, a disappointment to some who desperately wanted to see the FATA blacklist the country for not completing in time the 27 actions recommended for strengthening and removing the deficiencies in the AML and ATF regime, full stop. At the other end, those who thought the FATA would show more leniency and acknowledge the progress made in the last several months were too optimistic, although the FATA conceded that Pakistan has made significant progress and addressed 21 of the 27 items, while partially addressing the remaining 6. It decided to not change the country's status, full stop. Instead, it gave Islamabad another 4 months to complete work on the remaining action plan by Feb 2021, as all action plan deadlines have expired. This is fair enough, full stop. Ever since Pakistan was put on the so-called grey list in June 2018 for the second time in 6 years, few had imagined it would have been able to make so much progress, full stop. But the fact that the country has shown its political commitment and is able to satisfy the global watchdog in 21 areas in such a short time is no mean achievement, full stop. Whether, it should be celebrated as a victory, full stop. Yet, The real test starts now. Full stop. We have been given a very narrow window of time to achieve the rest of the targets. Full stop. Together, ones pertaining to law enforcement's capacity to identify and investigate the widest and prosecution target designated persons and entities, and those acting on behalf or at the direction of the designated persons or entities. Full stop. Further, Pakistan has to demonstrate that terrorist financing prosecutions result in effective and decisive sanctions. Full stop. We also need to show the world that the provincial and federal authorities are on the same page on enforcing measures. Full stop. Indeed, this is a big task for a country like Pakistan, where large parts of the economy operate in the shadows and where law enforcers have little or no training in identifying, investigating and prosecuting financial crimes. Full stop. But do we have a choice? Question mark. It is, after all, in our own interest to remove weaknesses in our regime and strengthen our investigators and prosecutors, not just because the FATA requires us to do so. Full stop.